Hi my angels.
Welcome back to our channel, baby.
If you're new here, make sure you click right up there to subscribe and join the journey.
Subscribe, join the journey, join the love, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications from us.
Yes, please.
Baby, today's video is brought to you by bass. Okay? We're bass fishing today. And this has been a passion of mine and now a passion of my beautiful ladies here to come out and try to catch some fishes. You know, it's really therapeutic for me, you know, very therapeutic and fun. So hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope we could catch a bass for you guys. So it's not too windy out. It's a little bit hotter than I anticipated it was gonna be today, but more or less trying to catch some fishes and have a good day, you know. Hope you guys enjoy this content.
Since my babyy is very passionate about fishing and this is something he loves to do, we're gonna put this in his little corner on the channel. Basically, that is Omi's World, and if you click right up there, you can go check out more content from him specifically. Omi's World is like fishing, gaming, cooking, all of that fun stuff, everything he's passionate about. So with that being said, if you guys have any video recommendations or requests, you already know what to do. Comment down below or email us right there. Not only will we do your video idea, but we'll give you a shout out in that video and on all of our social medias.
All of our social medias are gonna be right here, baby.
Yes.
So get into it, alright? One love. Let's get some fishes, huh? Brand new content coming your way right now. We're out on the boat trying to catch some fishes today. Today is a vlog day for fishing. Okay, so we're fishing. We're gonna try to catch some big basses, man. Some monster bass.
Hi, Mr. Duckies.
So right now, you see the captain in the back?
No, give me with these glasses on.
Look, you know why we get you with the glasses on?
No, the glasses are so, they need to make them prettier.
Yeah, so yeah, people, we out here trying to catch some fish, man. We gotta figure out where the fishes are laying at and bedding at and doing what fishes do, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a real professional fisherman yet. I'm watching, I'm learning, I'm getting there. And so far, I feel like I'm learning from Kicking Their Bass TV. Kicking Their Bass?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch Kicking Their Bass all the time. Boy, if you see this, shout out to you. I'm gonna let you know right now. Come out to San Diego, California. We could fish together, my boy. You could teach me the ways and how to become successful fisherman like you, my boy. Alright, so if you see this right here, tag Kicking Their Bass, let them know I need them to come out to San Diego, California. Hit me up and let's get fishing, bro. Let's go. Alright, peace for now. We on to the next spot. Peace. Sorry for the wind, guys. We're not even an hour into fishing yet, bro. And she tapped out already. She already tapped out. She said, I don't want to do this homework. Look what she doing. Babe. Babe. Get your ass up.
No,
Get your butt up.
No, it feels so nice.
It feels so nice. Get up, we're fishing.
The fish can wait. They already are taking their time, so I'm gonna take my time. Cheers.
We have to come off the water for a little bit more because when it gets hot out there, you know what's the best thing to cool down is some vanilla. Ice cream.
Mwah.
Look at them big lips on the ice cream. Babe, can you do this?
I hate when you do that. No. I can't even freaking look. I can't even drink anything cold. Watch the water. Literally, this is how I have to like eat and drink cold stuff.
She puts it on the corner of her mouth.
It's too cold. Oh my gosh.
Comment down below if you could bite into ice cream. Like your boy. See you when we get back on the water. Peace. And now we're gonna enjoy our treat. Back out on the water, guys. As you guys can see. Got the Lose Mach 1. Oh, just pinch my finger off, boy. Big cast. The Lose.
Wait, hold on. I'm getting the ducks.
Lose Mach 1 bait caster.
What did you say the name of it was, babe? Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you. Lose Mach 1 bait caster. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So obviously it's the next day, and unfortunately we couldn't. Sorry about that. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch a fish for you guys to see on this channel yet. But down the road we will eventually catch a fish, and you guys will be seeing us doing more fishing videos and stuff like that. So
Well, you forgot to tell them we caught 2 catfishes.
2 catfishes.
Catfish.
I don't even know if I'm showing them right now. But yeah, so with that being said, this concludes the video. And stay tuned because what you trying to do? You trying to be as tall as me? You're almost there anyways.
That'd be so weird though if I was your height.
Like, not really.
Yeah.
That's a
This,
lot of
I
couples.
like this.
Oh, me too.
I don't like. That'd be so weird. No, go down. Like, look. Look at me.
I'm looking straight in your
That'd
face.
be so weird.
When you have heels on, that's the. Well, no, I'm still a little bit taller than you when you have heels on. But I don't know where that where that conversation was all out of the blue, but like me, what the? You know.
Oh my god, my dude.
You okay?
Oh god, I think push it into my god.
So like me and my beautiful baby, I always say after she almost broke her tooth.
Stay happy.
Stay positive.
Spread love and positivity to the world.
Follow your dreams.
Let life live, and please continue to follow us on our journey together.
Like I always say, man, stay tuned because more videos coming your way soon. Peace
Bye, my
out.
little